Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the headset off and removing the ear cushions. This exposes the assembly and prevents damage. Once done, use a plastic pry tool to lift the inner rim slowly so you don't tear foam. Make sure to sort screws into labeled piles, left versus right, and photograph their locations. You need a correct driver, small Torx or Phillips, to avoid stripping heads. Doing this now gives you direct access to the hinge and headband fasteners, so you can tighten them safely. You'll now tighten the hinge and headband fasteners with measured steps. Always turn screws in small increments and check motion after each adjustment. Once a screw feels snug, test the swivel and headband flex to find a smooth, secure feel. This prevents binding. Make sure ribbon cables and connectors sit clear of screw paths. If a cable catches, loosen and reposition. You can use a drop of removable thread locker for long-term hold, but don't apply without ensuring perfect alignment first. You finish by reseating the rim and reinstalling the ear cushions, aligning them so the foam compresses evenly. Once assembled, power on and test audio, Bluetooth, and microphone. Wear the headset for 10 to 15 minutes to confirm comfort and stability. If sound is muffled or a driver disconnects, stop, remove the cup and inspect the ribbon cable and connector seating, then red-item carefully. If movement persists, repeat fine adjustments rather than forcing screws, and contact support if a broken part is.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.